Orissa gets big rail boost. New Puri-Koraput Express, daily Amrit Bharat train and Rs 300 crore station upgrade announced. Bhubaneswar, Nation News. Reporter news by Baping Biswal. Orissa has received one of its biggest railway infrastructure boosts in recent years. Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi and Union Railway Minister, Ashwini Vaishnav flagged off the inaugural Puri-Koraput Express and the daily Brahmapur, Yudna, Surat, Amrit Bharat Express, marking a major milestone in the state's rail connectivity. The new Puri-Koraput Express fulfills a long-pending demand by providing direct rail connectivity between the holy city of Puri and the tribal region of Koraput. The train will benefit pilgrims, tourists, students, patients, traders, and local residents while connecting key cities including Bhubaneswar, Angul, Sambalpur, Balangir, Titlagad, Raigada, and Damanjodi. In another major announcement, the Brahmapur, Yudna Amrit Bharat Express has been upgraded from a tri-weekly service to a daily train, offering better connectivity between Orissa and major industrial hubs in Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. The move is expected to benefit thousands of migrant workers, students, business travelers, and families. The railway minister also announced that Brahmapur railway station will be transformed into a world-class railway hub under the Amrit Bharat Station scheme with an investment of nearly Rs 300 crore. The redeveloped station will feature modern passenger facilities, improved accessibility, contemporary architecture, and seamless transport connectivity. Reviewing preparations for Rath Yatra 2026, the railway minister confirmed that Indian Railways will operate more than 300 special trains to manage the massive influx of devotees. Holding areas for over 30,000 passengers, additional ticket counters, enhanced security, food distribution, and upgraded passenger amenities have also been arranged to ensure smooth travel during the festival. Adding another big development, Ashwini Vaishnav announced that North Orissa will soon receive a dedicated train service, fulfilling another long-standing public demand, and strengthening railway connectivity across every region of the state. The announcements reflect the central government's continued focus on expanding rail infrastructure, boosting tourism, improving regional connectivity, and accelerating economic growth as part of the vision for Viksit Orissa and Viksit Bharat.